Today we are traveling 500 kilometers across Japan. We are getting an overnight bus starting in Osaka tonight at 10 past 10 and should arrive in Akihabara, Tokyo in 9 hours time. We've got our bags on, we're making our way to the bus station. Let's see how this journey is. We actually did get the night bus from Tokyo to Osaka as well, but that journey actually cost half as much as this one. So this journey is costing €50 per person. I'm not sure if it just depends on the day that you go. But we are at the station, the bus stop, which is just on the side of the road, about half an hour earlier. So it's time to get some snacks. Even though it is a night bus, so we don't really need that many snacks, but just in case. So these are our seats for the next 9 hours. Honestly, it's a much smaller bus than I anticipated. I don't know why these seats feel quite narrow as well. I don't know if that's just me because I'm tired. Also noticed there's no toilet on this bus as well, so I assume we'll make a couple of stops along the way for toilet breaks and things like that. It's a very, very standard bus. It seems pretty quiet so far, but I'm not sure how many stops it makes again. The main benefit is that there is a little USB or a little plug for charging, which is nice, and you have your little storage place there, but really not much room for the legs. I'm a little bit nervous for this one, honestly. Right now it's really, really warm, but I think once we take off, the AC will start kicking in, so hopefully it'll be fine then. Ooh, let's hope I get some sleep on this one.
It's going to be a long ride, but I mean, it's pretty quiet so far, so space is not the best, but I think we'll manage.
And that means we are taking off right on time. Here's hoping we get some sleep. We're 3 hours in. We are at a rest stop. I have gotten some sleep, so it's not been so bad, but my legs are dead. It is now 3 a.m. We are at stop number 2 of the night. Gotten off the bus just to stretch the legs. The journey's gone by quicker than I thought it would be. It is still pretty uncomfortable. Not sure how much sleep I'm actually getting, but should just have about 4 hours to go, so we're almost there. Also, after Kyoto, so we went Osaka to Kyoto. After Kyoto, they did tell us all the times of the stops and the times of arrival at all the different stations. Now, I didn't set any alarms or anything. It's just from the lights turning on and everyone moving that I've woken up for each of the stops. Better get back on the bus.
Made it.
And we have made it back to Tokyo.
After a 9-hour bus ride, we just made it to Akihabara, and now it's 7 a.m. So just right on time. It was a very long bus ride, not gonna lie. It was a bit uncomfortable. The leg room wasn't there really, and my neck is honestly so sore.
Yeah, we feel like two very old travelers this morning with very little sleep, but it was a good alternative. As we said, this was a 9-hour bus journey. It cost €50 for the journey. The other alternative we saw was to take the Shinkansen train, which is 2.5 hours long, but for us it would have cost about €110 with the reserved seat for our bags, so that's more than double the price of the bus.
So will we choose the bus option again? Maybe. if you're on a budget, or like we are on a budget, we would definitely choose the bus option. Otherwise, if you have some extra money left, definitely go for the Shinkansen because it's way faster.
But unfortunately, our travel day is not finished just yet. We've got to make it to our hotel and drop our bags before we can get exploring Tokyo, so let's go. There are also some lockers at all of the big train stations that you can put your bags in when you use coins to put them in. But we are hoping that the trams are a little bit quieter now than they will be later with their bags. So we're going to bring them directly to the hotel. I think we're seeing the effects of the tiredness already because we have just went to the wrong hotel. So our actual hotel is another 40 minutes away from here. take two.
Our second attempt.
And we have finally made it into our hotel room after the longest travel day. And this is what €70 a night can get you here in Tokyo. For the most part, besides one other hotel, we've actually been mainly staying in hostels here. And to be honest, between size-wise and cleanliness, they're all pretty much similar. The main difference is whether you have a private bathroom or a shared bathroom. But we've had really good experiences with hostels here, but let's show you what a hotel will get. So in here is our private bathroom. I mean, it's pretty standard, but you've got your own bath, shower, toilet, everything like that. Out this way is the bedroom, which is, to be fair, a little bit bigger than others that we've had in Japan. But we do have this nice big window which leaves in so much natural light, which is really, really nice. But most importantly is the bed test. Oh, yeah, it's definitely soft and comfortable and definitely what we need.